In this video, I'll show you how to manage the admin settings for coffee breaks. You can find the admin settings in Slack via the Home tab of the Coffee Break app in the admin area. There you can switch from the user area to the admin settings. As an admin, you can activate and manage coffee breaks via the configuration. In addition to Crewting Meet, Microsoft Teams or Google Meet can also be used as video solutions. To do this, the respective integration must first be connected. Once the corresponding integration is active, it can also be used in the configurations. Back to the configuration. In the first step, you can select the video solution and a boost for coffee breaks. If you use Crewting Meet, you can use the boost to add a quiz or icebreaker questions to the coffee breaks, for example. The individual boosts are explained in separate videos. Select the desired setting below using the drop-down menu. Microsoft Teams and Google Meet only appear if the corresponding integration has been activated beforehand. In the second step, you can set the matching according to your individual preferences. At the top, you can specify the name of the coffee break campaign. This name will then also appear on the calendar invitation. You can then use the channel to select which people will be matched using this configuration. If the desired channel is a private Slack channel, Crewting must first be added to this channel. Only then can the channel be selected in the configuration. Next, set the number of people per coffee break when the first invitations should be sent, the frequency of matching after the start date, the day on which the invitations to the coffee breaks are sent, and the time at which the invitations should be sent. You can activate our AI via the algorithm settings. When this setting is active, the system attempts to connect new colleagues with each matching. In addition to past matches, other criteria such as time zones and availability are also taken into account. This may occasionally result in repeated matches. Nevertheless, the function ensures that as many new connections as possible are created within the organization. Next, you specify the duration of each meeting and the type of scheduling. You can choose between automated scheduling, manual scheduling, or a mix of both. If necessary, in the last step, you can exclude certain people from the selected channel from matching or include only selected people for matching. When you are finished, you can click on Create, and the finished configuration will be displayed. You don't have to wait for the first matching to start. You can also start it manually by clicking on Start Matching Now. If you want to add another admin, you can do so at any time via Add New Admins. Simply select the desired person and click on Grant Permissions. You will also find advanced settings in the admin settings. Here, you can disable the option for individual users to block each other. You can also specify the maximum number of coffee breaks a user is allowed to take, as well as the maximum duration of each break. At the bottom, you can manage extended availability. It is important to note that coffee breaks are always scheduled for the week after matching. If no common free time slot can be found in the first week, the system will try again a week later, and so on. You can use this setting to specify how long availability is extended. Further down, you will also find the management of your subscription. If you have any questions, something is not working, or you're looking for specific information, you can access our support area in the settings at the very bottom via Open Help Center. Here you will find all the information you need and can contact a member of our team at any time. Now we wish you lots of fun for your next coffee break and many great conversations.